These are just some thoughts that we will face some decisions tonight and in the future, as we have in the past, about our zoning in the city. And I believe that that has taken an inordinate amount of council time in terms of trying to decide how we move as a city, how we move forward in terms of zoning, what we would like as a city, what is our vision as a city. And as one of the speakers just finished, that indeed people did run on a campaign promise of a vision for this city. In December, I brought forward with Councilman Hunke the resolution to at least study the Germantown area. Now we're back and we're looking at that area right now. So my recommendation is that we kind of take a very close look at our zoning, which we're doing now. We spend a lot of effort while we have time to do this, so that in future and for future councils, they don't have to spend this amount of time. I met with community groups from late December all the way through. We took 2 PUDs through, rejected. Now we're back again with another development again. We are spending a tremendous amount of time on development, and my feeling personally is that we are not spending enough time on the needs of the citizens of this community. We could then spend more time on thinking about how we're going to balance budget, which we're doing again this evening, how we're going to make fees possible for people to use the parks, how we move forward. So that's my vision, and that's my statement. Thank you.